Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the cute Ulzzang style. Basically, Ulzzang is a Korean word that means best face. It already got popular in Western countries. It consists of big eyes, small face, nose and mouth. Everybody can look Ulzzang with the right makeup. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to achieve big eyes, a smaller face, nose and mouth, so it's easy to look like a cute Ulzzang. Let's start! First of all, put on your circle lenses and then apply foundation. Now we can shade our face to make it look smaller. For shading your face, you will need a brush and a powder that is 3 skin tones darker than your skin. Put the powder on your brush and blend it with light up and down movements on your cheeks. Get a smaller brush and repart the shading powder lightly on the sides of your nose. Then blur the shadow upwards, just like this. Brush the shading powder along your jaw and apply some on the tip of your chin. I warn you, don't use too much powder or it will look like a beard. Now my right eye has got makeup on, but my left eye not. Can you see the difference? To let your eyes appear bigger, we are going to do the following eye makeup. Put a light milk coffee colored eyeshadow on your brush and apply it from your lid to your upper crease. Then get a darker, somewhat milk chocolate-like color and apply it on your eyelid. Now we are going to choose an even darker brown color, but this time put the color only on the tip of your brush and apply it on your crease. Put a hot pink color on your brush and apply on the outer V of your eye. With a light pink eyeshadow, we are going to soften the eye makeup by dabbing it lightly on the eyelid, but without smearing anything. With the same pink eyeshadow, highlight the lower outer lash. Get a black eyeliner and line 1/3 of your lash line. Also, line your upper lash line. Then, draw both lines to the border of your orbita and connect them. Fill out the gap between your outer corner and the border of your orbita. With a white eyeliner, we are going to line our waterline by creating the illusion of expanding the white area of your eye. Still using the white eyeliner, connect the inner corner with the inner lash line. Apply mascara. We all know that mascara darkens, thickens and lengthens your eyelashes. But that's not enough. To make your eyes stand out more, I highly recommend wearing fake lashes. Use a special glue for fake lashes. Set the lashes to the middle of your lash line and adjust it to the curvature of your eye. Apply mascara over the fake lashes to make them even longer and thicker. See how much bigger the eyes are now? Apply a light pink blush on your cheeks and a hot pink blush on your cheekbones. tie your lip balm. Then, apply concealer on your lips. Next comes foundation and powder. With a pink lip liner, line your lips. Apply lipstick, which is around 2 color tones lighter than the lip liner. Over the lipstick, apply lip gloss. The lip gloss should have a similar color to the lipstick or transparent. I think the dark hairs with Ulzzang style the best. Because I've got fair hair, I'm going to wear a wig. To wear a wig, just style your hair into a ponytail, then flip the ponytail over your head and put on a wig cap. Wearing a black bob styled wig. It's a popular Ulzzang hairstyle. And here I'm wearing a brown layered wig with bangs. Ulzzang hair is simple to do, and you don't have to got dark hair to imitate this style. Fair hair is recently popular too. If you are not sure about how to style your hair, do braids. They always look sweet. Thank you for watching this video, and I wish you a lot of fun while trying out this style. See you!